Hey guys, welcome to a new video. Today's video I will show you guys how to change wiper blades on BMW E39. I know a lot of you guys do know how to change your wiper blades, but it might be something new for some people. So I hope maybe this video is helpful to some. Guys, check this out. So weather like this is when you do need to use your wipers, and it's kind of annoying when your wiper do this. You can see that my left wiper is juddering, so I guess it's time to get it changed. This is a very easy job to do, so all you need is a new wiper and a flat screwdriver. So the first thing you do is get these blades out. So you can see this lock, so all you got to do is push it up and your blade is out. That's how simple it is to remove wiper blades. Now take your new blades out. Before you put the new blades, make sure they're the same size what you're replacing. So as you can see, this is the same. So let's go ahead and let's put these new blades in. Simple, just position your wiper just like this. Just lock it. Always make sure you check that it's the right size before you're installing the new wipers. So once you install the new wipers, make sure you clean the whole windscreen before using it. And that's it. That's how easy it is to install front wipers on BMW E39. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, just do make sure to press the thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, make sure you subscribe. I'll see you for next time.